In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills and fertile lands, young Sam embarked on a fascinating journey to discover the wonders of a lush vegetable farm. With curiosity bubbling within him, Sam set off on an adventure to learn about different types of vegetables growing in the fields. As he entered the farmland, Sam saw rows upon rows of vibrant green plants. His eyes lit up with excitement as he recognized familiar vegetables and discovered new ones along the way. He first stumbled upon a patch of bright red and juicy tomatoes. "Wow! Look at these tomatoes," exclaimed Sam. He plucked one and felt its smooth skin. The word juicy means full of liquid or moisture. Sam felt the tomato's firmness and marveled at its rich color. Venturing deeper into the farm, Sam encountered tall and leafy plants with big, round leaves, the spinach. "Hello, leafy spinach. You look so fresh and green," observed Sam. He gently touched the spinach leaves and admired their vibrant color and texture. Next, Sam found a row of bright orange carrots peeking out from the soil. "Hey there, crunchy carrots. You look so vibrant," said Sam, gently pulling one out. He noticed the carrot's firmness and bright color, understanding that crunchy means making a sharp sound when bitten. Further along the farm, Sam spotted long and slender green beans climbing up a trellis. "Hi, curly beans. You're reaching up so high," chuckled Sam. He ran his fingers along the beanstalks, feeling the roughness of their vines. As he explored nearby, Sam found rows of cabbage with large, leafy heads. "Hello, curly cabbage. You're so big and sturdy," observed Sam. He gently touched the cabbage leaves and marveled at their tightly packed layers. With each new vegetable he encountered, Sam's excitement grew. He learned about their colors, textures, and shapes, enjoying the unique characteristics of each one. As the day drew to a close, Sam bid farewell to the vegetable farm, grateful for the fascinating experience. With a basket full of freshly picked vegetables, he headed back home, eager to share his newfound knowledge with his family. Sam's adventure in the village farmland became a delightful story to share, filled with colorful discoveries and a newfound appreciation for the diverse and wonderful world of vegetables. Village. A village is a small community or settlement, often in rural areas, with houses, farms, and fields. Farmland. Farmland refers to agricultural land used for growing crops, such as vegetables, grains, or fruits. Vegetables. Vegetables are edible plants that are grown for consumption. They include tomatoes, spinach, carrots, beans, bell peppers, cabbage, and many others. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are round, red fruits, often considered vegetables in cooking, with a juicy texture and commonly used in various dishes. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable known for its nutritious properties and is often used in salads, cooked dishes, or as a side dish. Carrots. Carrots are orange root vegetables known for their sweet taste and crunchy texture. They are commonly eaten raw or cooked. Beans. Beans are long and slender pods that grow on climbing plants. They come in various types like green beans and are often cooked or used in salads. Cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy green or purple vegetable with large, dense leaves. It is often used in salads, coleslaw, or cooked dishes. Texture. Texture refers to the feel or consistency of something, such as the firmness, roughness, or smoothness of the vegetables. Colorful. Colorful describes something with many different colors, such as the vibrant hues of the vegetables in the farm. Juicy. Juicy describes something full of liquid or moisture, like the tomatoes that Sam discovered.